G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. This episode we are moving back onto the Colorado to do the triangulated four link in the rear. This episode I'm going to be getting the Colorado ready to install the Ironhide 4-link kit. That means removing the tray, the rear axle, brackets, fuel tank, cross members, that sort of thing, get ready to install that 4-link kit. Before we get into that, we're going to go back in time to March last year. We got the 80 series axle stripped down and sent off to Ironhide Customs so they could modify their standard RC Colorado 4-link kit to suit this build. This is the kit from Ironhide Custom. It is a triangulated 4-link kit. Justin from Ironhide, who owns Ironhide, he has modified the kit to move this rear axle back 150 mil for better handling and weight distribution with load on. This is not sponsored, so you know. He'll just ask me a little bit, I'm sure, but and customise the standard kit for me, which is really awesome of him. But I'm sure if you guys hit him up and you want to do the same thing to get better handling and weight distribution, if you want to do something similar, I'm sure he would do the same thing for you. So let's unwrap this thing and see what we've got. This is the kit from Ironhide. It's a bit different to what you'd get if you got the standard kit. I said to Justin I could make the links up myself, so he sent me back some threaded rod. You might be able to see in the bottom of the shot there, just some heavy duty 30mm threaded rod to make adjustability in the links. I'll probably make this the uppers adjustable. I'll make the lowers fixed, solid bit of pipe. The bushes, or the weld-on part, so you can press your bushes into your links. Obviously the housing, it's already pre-assembled, ready to go. I've just got to finish welding it off. I'll probably maybe look at getting it straightened after that once I finish welding it. Fasteners, bolts, all that sort of stuff you need. I think Justin's thrown in some sway bar mounts for me as well to mount to the axle, because I'll be doing a torsion bar style sway bar again, same as the front. Bump stops, the actual link mount. So this will be your chassis end link mount. I guess I'm just going to go something like that. I'll figure that out in a minute. So yeah, this is your chassis end link mounts. Takes your upper and your lower. Cross member across the top, so take your shock tower essentially. Also braces your chassis. Have the chassis plates, there's several chassis plates there. I'll figure out where they go shortly. Mock-up links, upper and lower. And over to the side here, I've got a GU tank ready to go. What I'm going to do now is I'll probably strip the tray off. I've got a heap of junk in there that's related to the build. I'm going to take everything out of the tray, or take the tray off completely and store it somewhere out of the way. And I'll start cleaning the chassis up, ready to take the 80 series axle. All right, so I've just opened this car up for the first time in probably 12 months. I haven't looked inside of it, and there's just a heap of mould in there. This is just rank, hold my breath sort of thing. Don't want to get too close to that sort of stuff. It's pretty nasty. Back of both seats just absolutely probably written off, but mould all through here. So, and the steering wheel is covered in it. It's been humid, but that's pretty rank. So give that car a bit of a clean up today. So that's the tray off. Now it's time to start tearing this back end apart. The rear axle's got to come out, leaf springs, all the brackets, this cross member here, fuel tank, probably most of the exhaust I'll probably just lop off as well, because I'll probably have to remake that whole exhaust once the axle moves back 150 mil. So an off-the-shelf one probably won't work either, so it'll have to be a custom-made exhaust there as well. Yeah, a lot of rattle guns and grinders coming up. That is the back end all cleaned up on this, ready to go. Next episode, we're taking all the stuff that's on the bench and putting it into here. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that stuff. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one. See ya.